Yeah, Jerry. Now the recording is started and you are co-host. Please share your screen.
Is it visible now?
Yes.
So this is where I was able to reach.
Now you can find the greater, like that's what we did with this list, right? Like after we got the list, we were finding the highest number, the second highest number, smallest number.
Okay.
Yeah. I guess we did that I'm not 100% sure, but I guess we did in one of your program that code for the highest number.
Come again. I didn't understand what you said.
I'm saying that I guess in one of your one of the like in one of the class we did the highest number for you in one of the class that you created here. So you look like you can close these tabs and then you can see like whatever the classes that you created. Like in one of them, I vaguely remember that we have
No,
done.
I didn't.
Oh no.
I haven't
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, you can like yeah. Okay, sure.
I haven't done that one. But I can continue from this side, right?
Yes, you can in the same. You can continue on that logic.
Can you help with the formula?
So do that like outside this for loop.
Or it's going to be outside. So I have to go to new and create a new.
No. So like, you know, where you have written like for integer, like this was basically like a loop, right? So for is basically like we define a condition and it runs that many time, that much amount of time. Below. Line 30. Yeah. So line 33 and line 37. Do you see that word that you have used for? And then there's like the small brackets and then line 33 and 37. The whole line, do you see like how there's like for and then there's brackets. So that's like a for loop, like it's like a loop thing that'll run. Now after line 42, the curly braces, give it an enter. Line 42, give it an enter. And now here we can start. So
Do I need to copy this one and go there and edit it? Or no?
yeah, you can use that. And then again, the curly braces. Curly braces open and closed.
Oh, wait, no.
Enter. No, the curly braces, not the square one.
I don't know. Oh, so since shifts.
Um,
Uh,
now let's do
we'll
for
have
the Mac.
one more close curly brace.
One more.
Yes.
After line 40, after line 47.
There is no need to start it.
Like by mistake, I guess you removed one.
Line number
So
45. At line number
delete
45.
line 45. Delete line 40. No, 45. Do Control Z. And again, yes. Now line 45. 45. Just one.
Okay.
Remove one from
Only
the first one. Okay, add the the first one. Oh, I guess
Okay.
it's like together. It works together. So put one. Give an enter. Give an enter. And now from line 45, remove the line 45.
Okay.
Perfect. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so now let's do for the, so like here, that's the list that is there for you, and then the value will come there. So inside this, write if.
So I have to delete everything here, right?
No. Go to line 45.
Before,
This is all perfect. Line 45. Yes.
Sonakshi,
Right.
before for loop, you will have to declare a global variable for maximum.
We'll do that. It's okay. It's
Okay.
okay. We'll do that. Inside here, give like small brackets, open and close. Inside here, write, I gave it a name as maximum number. You can give whatever you want. Write max, small, everything small. Max number is less than and space and I. Less than, yeah, that was fine. I, the letter I, yeah. And again, curly braces outside the bracket. Enter. Perfect. Now here, copy the same max number that you have written, max number, copy it as it is. Just max number. Or you know what? Completely copy everything. Copy everything that's there just inside the bracket. Whatever is there inside the bracket, copy that. Copy that and paste it there in 46. Yeah. And instead of greater than, like less than, remove that, put equal to, equals. And after I, give a semicolon. No, semicolon, close it. Like dot and comma. Yeah, perfect. Now, after line 42, after the curly braces,
Yeah.
give an enter. And write integer I capital. Space. And control V. And remove greater than an I. Remove I also. And write equals to 0. And semicolon. Close it. So we have to like remember, Jerry, like every time we have to use the semicolon to end any command. Like once this is finished, like it does not come for a loop, but it always comes like if you're declaring something. If it's like system debug, you see that there is always a semicolon.
Okay, so you see line 37.
Right.
Why we didn't put say why we didn't put over here?
Because we after we put a semicolon, it's like a full stop in coding.
Or what is
And we
Statement
do
has
not
been
we do
finished.
not yeah, and we do not want a loop to finish, right? Like we want that the loop should run whatever we have defined inside those small brackets. So we want, like in this case, we have said that the integer I should run the same amount of time how much ever is the value is there in inset.
okay?
So that's why we do not want a semicolon there. But we want it in a system debug because we do not want like that needs not to be repeated again and again. Yes, if it comes for a loop, we want that to repeat. So I don't know if it makes sense, but it's like a full stop.
Okay.
Just that's it. Yeah. And now we want to even print the maximum number, right? So after line 48, actually, can you like scroll down? Scroll down. Yeah. So after line 50, give it an enter. So that's one. Let's do. Yeah. Right here, system S capital. Dot debug. Yeah, copy and yeah, click. Perfect. Here, write maximum number is maximum, M-A-X-I. It's like what you want to display. So maximum, M-A-X-I, M-U-M, M-U-M, M, space, number, and after the single quotes, write a plus, and control V, and remove less than an I. Remove that I also. Yeah. And control save. Control S. Perfect. And run it. Should work. Control E and execute. Go down.
Okay.
Scroll down. There it is. So in the set value, the maximum number was 92.
92.
Yeah. And that is true, right? So
Yeah.
now we can get the, you know, Jerry, you can close these. You can close these. Like, you don't want these windows, right? Like,
Yeah.
close them. They're like, you saw the output, that's it. Like, just, yeah. Close the tab. Close that also. Like, we saw it, right? So you can close it. Yeah. Now, the similar way, we can do the minimum as well. So can you do one thing for me? Can you copy everything from line 44 till line 51 and no, copy. Give it an enter. Give it an enter. Give it an enter. We don't want that.
Enter.
No. So after, yeah, give it an enter there. Yeah, perfect. Now copy from 44 till 51, sorry. Copy everything and paste it on line 52. Okay. And give one more enter after line 51 so that there's like a space, like you can understand basically. After line 51, we'll give like 2 enters, just like, so there's gap between that.
So here, this number will change to be a minimum, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So now we'll do the minimum logic from line 54. So till line 51 was the logic for maximum number. Now from line 44, we'll do the logic for minimum number. So it's again the same. It's going through the loop. Now here, let's define in line 53, right there, and write integer, I capital, I capital, space, min, M-I-N, min, number. So for minimum, we are declaring a variable. And semicolon. No, semicolon. We want a closing for this. This is defining a variable, right? So dot and comma, semicolon. No,
Right.
we don't want the brackets. It's
Oh,
just a variable.
so like
Yeah,
this.
perfect. Yeah, perfect. Now, do you want to copy the min number, that variable that you wrote? Yeah, copy that. And wherever you have written max, yeah, hit there. Paste. Below also. And on there also, 61. Okay, now this logic is not right? This logic is not right. Just that you have defined the variable. Now instead of less than in line 56, give it greater than.
Okay.
And we saw in the class that nothing. Don't select anything. And we saw it in the class that if we do not give any value to a variable, by default, Salesforce gives it null. Right?
Yeah.
Now, after 55, where the cursor is right now, give it an enter. We have to write one more logic just to check if the value is null or not. Okay. So write if and the small bracket, curly bracket, small one. Yeah. Control V. Space. 2 times equals to space null, all small, NULL.
What did you say?
Null, NULL. N.
Oh, okay. NULL.
Yeah,
Like
null.
this.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And after the bracket, give it a enter and give curly braces, open and close. Curly braces. Perfect. Enter and Control V. Space equals to space I and semicolon, dot and comma, semicolon. Perfect.
I
Now,
have a question. So,
sorry.
Why did you put two equals to and then this none?
Okay,
Is
so
it a Salesforce formula or what?
no, this is not a Salesforce formula. This is like just the general thing. But as I said earlier, that Salesforce, by default, if there is nothing stored in a variable, like in line 53, you defined a variable name, integer, with name as min number, right? Now, by default, Salesforce gives this variable a value as null, like the same way as NULL.
Okay.
Okay. Now, do you want to do like one thing? After 53 line 53, after the colon, give it an enter, and write system.debug S capital, SYS. There's a S missing, Jerry. SYS, yes. System.debug. back, and bracket, small brackets, and inside write, no, inside
Right.
the bracket, write, give like single quotes. No, not two. You know what? Scroll down, and copy whatever is there inside the bracket in line 66. System debug. You have written min number. This min number. Yeah, copy everything that's inside the bracket. Whatever is inside the bracket, copy everything. Copy. And go above. And paste it inside that bracket. And outside the bracket, colon, semicolon. Perfect. Now save it. And for now, we will just concentrate on the value of the min number. We'll see what's the first min number value that's coming. Okay. Once we run the code. So give it Control E. Execute. And go below. Scroll. Yeah. Did you see in line 54, as I said earlier, not this, above this, line 54. No. Below. Go down.
That's right.
Line 54. Yes. It even says 54 and then debug. So minimum number is null. So as I said before, by default, Salesforce gives any value to any variable a value as null. Okay. So that's why, now can you go back to that class? We defined name concat. So that's why in line 57, we are checking, is min number value null? And if yes, then we are, whatever the first value of I is there, that will be stored inside min number.
Double equals to sign is called as in comparison operator.
Okay.
And single equal to sign is assignment operator.
But Tanu, do you want to explain him the logic, like what is work? By that time, I'll send a link for Jerry for the operators.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure. Jerry, line number 53. Line number 53 says that here you are defining the min number. When you will not provide any value to this variable, which the name is min number, then the Salesforce provide the default value, which is null, which have you seen earlier. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. In the line number 55, here we put the for each loop. This is called as for each loop. There is various type of loop in Salesforce. Okay. For loop is also of maybe two types. And this loop which is using here is called as for each loop. For each loop. Okay. So this loop says that when the list will be started, the name is in list. When the list is starting comparing, or we can say that the list will be initialized for the first index of the list, and when the index of I is equal to 0, whatever will be the first number in the list come into the loop, then if statement says that the min number will be, check that the min number is null or not, null or not. Okay, so here we initialize the value that is min number, and the default value will be null. If the null equals to null, it means the condition will be true. Then the whatever will come from the int list will store in the min number variable. Okay.
Okay.
In your program, if you want to see that, then scroll up and see the first value of your list, which you have defined here. First value. Go up. Yeah, stop. So here the first value of a list is 2. 2. Okay. So this 2 will be stored in min number in the place of null. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Then come to the line number 54. Here. Now come to the line number 61. 61. Here there is another if statement. If min number is greater than I, if your minimum number will be greater than the first number of your list, then it will be stored in the min number. The line number 62 says that if the condition of your if statement will be true, then the I will be stored in min number variable. Okay. These conditions work like in this manner until the condition of your for loop will be satisfied. Okay. When the for loop will gives the value false, or we can say that it will terminate, then go down, scroll down, then the statement 66 will be executed. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Only this is the logic.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Hello, Sonakshi.
Yes.
Then proceed further.
I would say very like go through the minimum and maximum number, whatever logic you have done so far, and try to add on to this logic for the second maximum and the second minimum number. Again, it's like same conditional check you have to use. and you can check on that. Go through the video for that again. I know it's like overwhelming, to be very frank. Like even for me, like some of the stuff, like even I'm like left behind on like many classes. Like I need to go through few other stuff as well. But I would say like try, and then like we are here anyways. And
All
if
right.
I mean, if we don't
I'll-
know, Shan is here.
I'll try. Then if anything, I'll contact you or Sean. Then you guys can explain it to me more.
Yeah, you can try and let me know if you face any difficulty.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.